Have you ever wondered if simple ingredients in your kitchen can help improve your nerve health? Today, we will cover the top 5 beverages that contain nutrients or compounds that are beneficial for nerve health and regeneration. Several essential nutrients play crucial roles in supporting nerve health and function. Deficiencies in these vitamins can lead to nerve damage and neuropathy. Incorporating certain ingredients you may have in your kitchen can assist with benefiting your nerve health and assisting in boosting nerve repair. Before we get into these 5 drinks, what is nerve damage and what causes it? Nerve damage, also known as neuropathy, refers to an impairment or injury to the nerves, disrupting their ability to transmit signals between the brain, spinal cord, and the rest of the body. This damage can manifest in various ways depending on the type of nerves affected: sensory, motor, or autonomic nerves. Causes of nerve damage can include physical trauma, injuries, accidents, or trauma such as fractures, compression, or direct trauma to nerves can cause damage. Diseases and disorders. Conditions like diabetes, autoimmune disorders, e.g., Guillain-Barré syndrome, infections, such as Lyme disease or shingles, certain cancers, and inherited disorders can lead to nerve damage. Toxins. Exposure to toxins like heavy metals, certain medications, e.g., chemotherapy drugs or certain antibiotics, or alcohol abuse can harm nerves. Nutritional deficiencies. Lack of essential nutrients, particularly B vitamins, can impact nerve health and function, leading to damage. Genetics. Some individuals might have genetic predispositions to nerve-related conditions or disorders. Inflammation and infections. Inflammation due to infections or autoimmune reactions can affect nerves, leading to damage or dysfunction. Other factors. Factors like repetitive stress, radiation therapy, and even certain lifestyle habits can contribute to nerve damage over time. Let's get into the top 5 drinks that will assist with boosting nerve repair and prevent damage. 1. Green tea. Antioxidants. Green tea is abundant in antioxidants, particularly polyphenols like catechins. These compounds have been studied for their potential to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, which can impact nerve health. Epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG. This specific catechin in green tea has shown neuroprotective effects in some studies, potentially aiding in nerve regeneration and protection against damage. 2. Turmeric latte, golden milk. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound recognized for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin might help reduce inflammation in nerves and promote overall nerve health by combating oxidative stress. 3. Berry smoothies. Antioxidants and vitamins. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries, are rich in antioxidants like flavonoids and vitamins C and E. These nutrients combat oxidative stress, potentially protecting nerves from damage caused by free radicals. 4. Bone broth. Collagen and amino acids. Bone broth is a source of collagen, gelatin, amino acids like glycine and proline, and minerals such as calcium and magnesium. These components support the body's connective tissues and may contribute to nerve repair and health. 5. Coconut water. Electrolytes. Coconut water contains electrolytes like potassium, magnesium, and sodium. Potassium, in particular, is vital for nerve function as it helps maintain the electrochemical gradient across nerve cell membranes, facilitating proper nerve signal transmission. Incorporating these drinks into your diet might provide a range of nutrients and compounds that could support nerve health and potentially aid in nerve repair. Please hit the subscribe button to show your support and to keep up to date with all our health and wellness content. See you in our next video.